Hey, what's up guys? I'm Matthew, and this is a short class for when you only have like a handful of minutes and you want to feel a little bit better in your body. So we'll use a chair to accomplish that. Everyone has a chair. So grab your chair and let's get going. Okay, so go ahead and sit in your chair like you normally would. Sit a little bit closer to the front edge of your chair. Separate your feet so they're about hip width apart or a little bit wider than that. And then twist to your right. Twist to your right, grab the back of your chair and lift and turn. So lift up through the right side of your waist. Breathe a little bit deeper there. So spread your ribs with your in-breaths. Dig through your left foot. Untwist. So come through center and go to the other side. Your right hand grab onto your left knee. Your left hand grab onto the back of your chair. Push through your right foot just a touch more to create a little bit more stability, but lift. Lift through the spine, the center of your body. Each in-breath, spread your left ribs a little bit wider. Come back through center. And then go to the first side again. So twist to your right, grab the back of your chair. Left hand, bring it to your right knee, lift and turn. And when I say lift and turn, I'm really referencing pull your lower back in and lift from there. Untwist. Second side again. Twist to your left. Your right hand, grab your left knee. Left hand, grab the chair. Pull your lower back in, lift and turn. Your left ribs, pick them up, spread them out to the side. Untwist. Stand up, face your chair. Step your chair to the short edge of your mat, so all the way to one edge of your mat. If you're not using a mat, just make sure that the surface you are on, your chair isn't gonna slip. This next one, you gotta make sure the chair doesn't slip. But grab the seat of the chair, step your feet back. Separate your feet till they're about hip width apart, maybe a touch wider. Bend your knees and fully straighten your arms. So essentially this is like doing a down dog, but with your hands up on a chair. Keep your knees slightly bent so you can pull your lower back in and potentially create a little bit more length through your spine, lower spine. The head, personally, I like to keep it in between my upper arms as it's less demand on my neck. Okay, walk your feet towards the chair, so step in. Stand up. Separate your feet almost mat width apart and then fold forward. Rest your forearms on the chair, and then if you can get your head down to your forearms, rest your head on your forearms. Step your feet back far enough that works. Feel free to bend your knees. in fact, do bend your knees and round your lower back. Now we'll go from here to that down dog position again. So grab the seat of your chair. Straighten your arms, look a little bit forward, and then step your feet back into your down dog position again. Bend your knees. Pull your lower back in. Push your hands forward. Now, if you can maintain the lower back in, work your legs straighter or all the way straight for some of you guys. Take a few deeper breaths. Walk forward. Stand up. Pause for a few breaths here. Okay, lie down. Lie down and swing your legs up onto your chair. So the calves over the seat of the chair. Adjust your hips in proximity to the seat of the chair, so you feel as if you can relax. So it's shins or calves on the seat of the chair, but adjust your hips away from the seat of the chair so it feels like the front of your hips, abdomen, inner hips can soften and relax. Reach your arms overhead. Unless that's too much on your shoulders, then you might take your arms out to the sides in like a T shape, or if that's still too much, lower your elbows or lower your arms a bit more and bend your arms. Now, personally, I'd suggest stay here for the next 5, maybe 10 minutes. If you don't have that much time available, that's great. I appreciate you watching this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. Let me know how it went. Leave a comment down below. Give a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, subscribe, turn on the notification buttons. It's all free, but it'll keep you up to date with the newest videos coming out on the channel. Thanks again for watching. Take care.